Today we're checking out the Fee-Kun all-in-one grease zerk fitting tool kit. If you've ever fought with a clogged, broken, or stripped grease fitting, this little box of tools might just save you. This kit doesn't come with grease fittings. It's all about the tools. So you get 2 tools that will let you install, remove, rethread. You'll find 2 separate tools, and they have all of the sizes, the most common sizes. Quarter 28 SAE, 1/8 inch NPT, M10x1, M8x1, and hex sizes 3/8, 5/16, and 7/16. So what you're going to do is you've got a fitting that's stripped or clogged. You're going to grab the removal tool that matches the size, slide it over, and back the old Zerk right out. If the threads are boogered up, the kit has a rethreading tool so you can chase and clean the threads. You don't have to drill and tap. If the threads are in good shape, you just put a new one in, use the tool to insert the grease fitting and tighten it down and add grease. It has the removal tool also. If the grease Zerk breaks off, you can just insert that removal tool and back it right out. One cool thing is it covers metric and SAE sizes, but whether you're working on cars, tractors, lawn equipment, whatever machinery, you've got most of everything covered in these 2 little tools. If you're tired of fighting with damaged grease zerks and you want a tool that's always in your toolbox, these will work great. Grease zerks, removal, rethreading.
You've got the taps.
4 different sizes. I think there's...
When you break one off, you can easy out that. That's for grabbing them.
Some of them are metric, some of them are...
I'm guessing that's a quarter 20. This is probably your 1/8 pipe.
Yeah. Those are kind of nice. I just don't know well.
This is the easy out. There's no number though to tell you what they are. Like thread size.
Yeah, I can get that.
Sure
It's on the listing.
Yeah, it's probably quarter 20. And
they're kind of nice. I don't know if you could use them every day, but for somebody like at home or a farmer or some farmer or something,
put them in your toolbox and
be something handy to have.
There you go. Yeah. That's why they give you the gap in case you get a 90 or a 45.
Oh, that's actually kind of nice.
Nice. This size must not have
just
a 90.
Straight, yeah. They couldn't notch it out.
I wondered about that gap.